This video discusses advanced placement credit and college credit taken in high school and the orientation data form and some additional resources. The orientation data form provides us here in UB Advising information on advanced placement exam scores and dual college credits. We do not know about what AP and college classes you've taken unless thoroughly completing this form. So that's very important to input your credit here. So let's talk about the AP credit chart. Taurus.buffalo.edu shows AP credit as well as how many college classes transfer in, which we'll go over soon. To get to the AP credit chart, head to Taurus.buffalo.edu. Click on Alternative Exam Credit, and then on this page, UB AP Articulation. Bear in mind the AP credit chart I'm showing here is based on 21-22 test scores, which is subject to change. As an example, if you took Language and Composition AP and received a 4 or 5, that's equivalent to our English 105. You'd therefore not have to take that introductory composition course at UB. Or how a 4 or 5 in Calculus AB is equivalent to our Math 141, which is Calculus 1. You can look at our engineering flow sheets found with a Google search and look up your major. For example, let's say your Computer Science BS major. As you see, here is that Math 141 and English 105. As far as registration, based on your high school transcripts and completing the data form, an academic advisor will register you into classes. You can view your schedule in the Hub Student Center. As far as a timeline, let's say we register you in June. Let's say you've taken AB Calculus and not receiving your score until July. That class is equivalent to Calculus 1. If you get your score in July and receive a 4 or 5 and wish to be placed into Calculus 2, you can update us via an online form called the Schedule Change Request Form. You may also have to take some important steps to finalize your schedule, such as completing our Math Readiness Assessment, selecting pathways, and possibly enrolling in another course. Pay attention to emails received by us regarding those important steps, including a link to the Schedule Change Request Form and information about the Math Readiness Assessment, etc. You can also decline AP credit. So if you receive a 4 or 5 in AB Calculus and you wanted to still take Calculus 1 anyway at UB, you can decline the AP credit by completing a form. Using mechanical engineering as an example, you can see how many classes depend on a solid foundation in Math 141. So it's encouraged to consider declining AP credit for AB Calculus as launching directly into Calculus 2, even with having a scored 4 or 5 in the AP exam, can be challenging, and lots of classes depend on that solid foundation. If you choose to take a UB class equal to AP or transfer credit that you're coming in with, completing the declination form is often important for financial aid reasons, so it's not considered a repeated class. Here's what the form looks like. You can also decline college transfer credit taken while in high school using the same declination form. Here's a quick example of how you start filling it out. If you have questions about any of this or what the best options for you are, please speak with your academic advisor or reply to the emails received. Also, AP credit in liberal arts areas can be used towards the UB curriculum requirements. For example, a 4 or 5 in psychology can be chosen in your pathways, or a 4 or 5 in U.S. history satisfies the diversity requirement. Last but not least, be sure to send your AP credit to University at Buffalo. Our school code is 2925, and you can always find more information if you Google UB AP credit, since we have a website that explains that in depth. As far as how college credit applies, it might equal to a class here. We would head back to Taurus.buffalo.edu to see how classes articulate. We'd click on the first link, search equivalency by school, then search by school, and type in the name of the college. And for this example, I'll put in Erie Community College. Let's say you took MT 181 at ECC. That class is equal to our Math 141. So put MT 181 on the data form. When you complete the orientation data form, it is important to provide the information requested, including college or university granting credit, their course number and title, year taken, and grade if already known. This will prevent you from being enrolled in classes you don't need to take because college credit you will already have. So in this video, we discuss the importance of inputting things for the orientation data form, AP credit, and college class credit, and considering the possibility of declining AP credit. Learning more about how to report your AP and college credit on your data form and how this credit might be utilized as you enter UB is an important first step in your transition to college. Thanks for watching.